Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a server configuration with Ansible, full guide step by step clearly. To create a server configuration with Ansible, start by ensuring you have Ansible installed on your control machine. Open your terminal and confirm the installation by running the command Ansible version. Next, create a new directory for your Ansible project. Use the command dir Ansible server configuration and navigate into the directory with cd Ansible server configuration. Now, initialize a new inventory file. Create a file named hosts using the command touch hosts. Edit the hosts file to specify the servers you want to configure. Add the IP addresses or hostnames of your target servers in the file. Define the group of servers under a designated group name for better organization. Once your inventory is set, create a new Ansible playbook file. Use the command touch site.yml to create the playbook. Open site.yml in your preferred text editor. Begin with specifying the hosts section, pointing to the group defined in your inventory. Add the tasks section to outline the automation steps you want to execute. For example, start with a simple task to ensure a package is installed using that apt module. Write a task that updates the package manager cache and installs a necessary package. Set the task name as install necessary packages and specify the package you require. Add the become true directive if you need elevated privileges for the tasks. Once your playbook is defined, save the changes and exit the editor. Next, run your playbook using the command Ansible playbook ihost site.yml. Observe the output in the terminal to verify task execution and identify any errors. If successful, your server configuration will now reflect the defined tasks in your playbook. To enhance your playbook, consider adding handlers for services that need to be restarted upon configuration changes. By organizing your tasks effectively and using variables, you can create reusable playbooks for future deployments. Explore advanced Ansible features like roles and templates for a more structured approach. With your server configuration now completed, you can further optimize and customize it based on your specific requirements. This concludes the step-by-step guide on creating a server configuration with Ansible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.